This plugin enhances the workflow between Blender and Houdini, making it more efficient and intuitive to use both software applications.
Hello everyone, this is another update for the Blender to Houdini exporter. I hope I fixed a few bugs here. There was a comment on YouTube from my previous video that things didn't work as expected. So obviously you need to download the repo, git clone this or download the zip. I have already done that and it's located here on my drive, running on Linux Ubuntu, but this should work on the Windows system as well. So important are these two files here, Blender to Houdini exporter and Blender reload fbx.py. We can open these files, and the default path here, on Windows it's I and then temp geo, and on Linux I've set this path under home path here. So the other thing you need to change is the fbx path in the Blender reload fbx.py. Once you've done that, you can save and close this file. And the config and toolbar are important for Houdini, so copy these, go into your home directory. In Windows is the Houdini 19.5 folder as well. This has been tested on with Houdini 19.5.6.4.0. Install this asset library. On your hard drive. So export to Blender 1.0 HALC for limited commercial version. Let's just drop down a monkey head. Again, just select these faces. Press Insert I, extrude, scale, and add some ring edge loops, ring loops, loop cuts, I mean. So I'm going to insert this again. I'm going to extrude, scale. Oh no, we have activated something. Oh, yeah, this. Okay, so this is not a modeling demonstration, but let's just undo, extrude. We don't want to use this. Add some loop cuts. Like this. So we're happy with our model and we want to send to Houdini. We can drop down we can reload the model. No, we need a file path, sorry. So drop down a file inside a geo context folder, container, and then reload model. So now we've imported this file from Blender to Houdini. We can obviously do further processing here. We need a vellum cloth. This is exactly, oops, and then vellum brush, and we want to, well, first subdivide this and just reset these values. Oh, something really strange is happening. Oh, okay, I forgot. Sorry, we need to use the open subdivision here and just increase the subs to 2, and then we can make some, some edits to our model. Obviously, again, this is not a modeling tutorial, but rather a demonstration of how you can, really get into using Houdini with Blender. And now we want to add a Blender to export to Blender node. So let's send this back to Houdini. Save to disk and then reload the object. Let's drop down a cube. I think this is also a bug, but you need to drop down a geo before reloading the file. Add a modifier, for example remesh. I want to change the subdivisions here. Let's go for 5. Send to Houdini, and then we want to re-import as new. So we have our Houdini file, Blender file here. Can add a randomize. And then create a copy from this node. Save to disk and then reload. Obviously we can change the display to vertex paint. Yeah, there you have it. We can also translate vertex colors from Blender to Houdini, or vice versa, using the FBX file format. So I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Note, this is a work in progress and a semi-automated method. You can access it